Here are 4 third-party apps that are benefiting from a Copilot plus PC boost. Luminar Neo, a popular photo editing software, takes advantage of the Snapdragon X chip in Copilot plus PCs to accelerate AI-driven tasks like image enhancement. The enhanced processing power allows for faster and more efficient editing workflows, making complex edits more accessible to users. DaVinci Resolve, a professional video editing software, benefits from Copilot plus PC's AI capabilities to speed up rendering, color grading, and other intensive tasks. The Snapdragon X chip enables up to 200x faster AI processing, improving both the speed and quality of video editing processes on compatible devices. Cephable is leveraging AI on Copilot plus PCs to enhance accessibility features. This could include advanced voice recognition, real-time language translation, or other AI-driven accessibility tools that benefit from the increased processing power provided by the Snapdragon X chip. McAfee is utilizing AI capabilities in Copilot plus PCs to strengthen security measures. The Snapdragon X chip accelerates AI processes that can detect and respond to security threats more effectively, providing enhanced protection for users' data and devices. These examples illustrate how third-party developers are tapping into the AI potential of Copilot plus PCs beyond Microsoft's native applications. By harnessing the Snapdragon X chip's accelerated AI processing, these apps are able to deliver enhanced performance and capabilities across image editing, video editing, accessibility, and security domains. This growing support underscores the versatility of AI-powered devices like Copilot plus PCs in various industries, promising more efficient workflows and improved user experiences.